been working on another prop. This time, this is a Palomat. I'm not sure that's how you pronounce it, but it's really cool and I like it. It's in PLA, and this is the fire truck. Oh, it looks so good. This is a miniature of a device that dispenses pallets and allows you to store them neatly in a warehouse. And obviously it's like a big machine in real life. So I've been given these tiny little pallets and a CAD drawing of the original machine to see if I can replicate this. And oh, it is gorgeous. It's so good in person. Oh, it's really nice. And it's not a perfect reconstruction, but I tried to, first of all, use no supports. So these might be a bit steeper angled than the original one, but I really don't care. So everything's kind of, 45 degrees here and there. These handles might be a bit oversized, but oh, hell yeah, who cares? This is really good. I like it. So hopefully they will like it the same way as I do. And yeah, this is my second prop, and if there is like any video or a commercial they made with it, I might include it with their permission here for you to see how it looks like when someone with a professional camera and video taking skills actually gets the job done. So yeah, really cool. All right, cheers for watching.